Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Candy Crush not working on Facebook. So the first solution is we need to clear our browser cache and cookies. So for that, click on this three dot, settings, click on privacy and security, clear browsing data, and select all these boxes from here, and time range, select all time, and click on clear data. And after doing this process, check the problem is fixed or not. The second solution is we need to update our Chrome browser. To do that, click on this three dot, settings, and click on about Chrome. And if your browser needs to be updated, it will automatically update your browser from here, and then relaunch your Chrome browser and check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is we need to change our browser. You can use Mozilla Firefox or you can use Opera instead of Google Chrome. You can download Firefox browser from here easily. Also, you can download Opera browser from here. And after changing your browser, check the problem if fixed or not. So that's how you can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.